So you didn't get to mow last week. Your grass had become really, really, really long. You finally mow it. And now look what's happened. No, that's not good. Tell your clippings where to go. Let the John Deere MulchControl kit with exclusive one-touch technology help. This is the easy way to mulch grass. Mulch on with one-touch technology. Extra finely cut clippings like this are small enough to hide and are easy for your lawn to absorb. The clippings are cut and cut again inside the closed chambers with sharp mulching blades, easy for your lawn to handle. Mulch off, mow as usual, and mulch at the same time. Missed a week of mowing? No big deal. Mulch off and mow in thick, high grass. Mulch on, mulch off. Feed your lawn, always. Now, right at your fingertips.